Welcome back to BioLogic Health. Today, we're talking about something that controls your energy, your mood, your hormones, and even your metabolism, your circadian rhythm. If you struggle with falling asleep at night, waking up tired, or feeling low energy throughout the day, your circadian rhythm may be out of sync. And the good news? You can fix it naturally. Let's begin. Number 1. Understand what the circadian rhythm really is. Your circadian rhythm is a 24-hour internal biological clock controlled by a part of your brain called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or CCN. It responds primarily to light and darkness. In the USA and Europe, millions of people suffer from disrupted circadian rhythms because of too much artificial light, high screen time, late night eating, shift work stress, irregular sleep schedule. Fixing it starts with understanding that your body needs consistent signals, light in the morning and darkness at night. Number 2. Get morning sunlight within the first 30-60 minutes of walking. Doctors and sleep scientists agree morning sunlight is the number one way to reset your circadian rhythm. Here's why. Sunlight activates cortisol in a healthy way. It tells your brain this is morning, wake up. It sets a timer for melatonin release 14-16 hours. LaRussa, or Europe sleep studies show that 5-10 minutes of direct sun is enough on bright days. On cloudy days, aim for 20-30 minutes. No sunglasses. Don't look directly at the sun. Just be outside. Number 3. Reduce artificial light 2-3 hours before bed. Screens, phones, tablets, TVs, laptops emit bright blue light that tricks the brain into thinking it's daytime. Harvard sleep research confirms that blue light suppresses melatonin more than any other type of light. How to fix this? Use warm light bulbs after sunset. Turn on night mode on device where blue light blocking glass keeps screen brightness low. Ideally, stop screens 1 hour before bed. This instantly helps your brain shift towards sleep. Number 4. Build a consistent sleep and wake schedule. The circadian rhythm loves consistency. Irregular sleep patterns confuse your internal clock. Fix this by going to bed at the same time every night, waking up at the same time every morning, avoiding long afternoon naps, keeping weekends similar to weekdays. Your brain resets based on routines. Even a 1-hour difference can disrupt melatonin and cortisol timing. Number 5. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. Caffeine has a half-life of 6 hours, meaning it stays in your system long after drinking it. In the USA and Europe, late afternoon coffee culture is very common but harmful for sleep. What to avoid? Coffee after 2 energy drinks, pre-workout supplements, cola or chocolate late in the day. Switch to herbal decaf options. Warm water. Your brain will have an easier time winding down.
Number 6. Eat your last meal 3 hours before bed. Late night eating can delay melatonin production and affect digestion. Doctors recommend avoiding heavy meals late, staying away from spicy or greasy foods, not consuming sugar before bedtime. This prevents acid reflux and helps your body shift into sleep mode naturally. Number 7. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. A good sleep environment is essential for circadian health. The ideal bedroom conditions are temperature 18-20 degrees Celsius, 60 for -68 degrees Fahrenheit. Darkness, blackout curtains or eye masks. Quiet, earplugs or white noise machine. Also remove LED lights. Phone notifications, bright alarm clocks. Your brain sleeps best in a cave. Number 8. Limit alcohol and nicotine. Both affect REM sleep and shift your circadian rhythm out of sync. Alcohol makes you fall asleep faster but disrupts deep sleep. Nicotine acts as a stimulant and increases nighttime awakenings. Avoid both, especially close to bedtime. Number 9. Exercise at the right time. Physical activity helps fix your circadian rhythm, but timing matters. Best exercise time: morning or early afternoon. Worst time: within 3 hours of bedtime. Light stretching, yoga, or a calm walk at night is acceptable. Number 10. Use melatonin only when necessary. Melatonin supplements can help temporarily, especially for jet lag, shift workers, temporary sleep disruptions. But in the USA, doctors recommend low doses 0.5 to 1 milligram. Higher doses may disrupt long-term rhythm. Use it short-term, not as a daily habit. Number 11. Create a strong bedtime routine your body learns from repetition. Effective routines include dim lights, warm shower, light stretching, reading not on a phone, journaling, herbal tea. Doing these daily helps the brain understand it's time to sleep. Number 12. Remove stress before sleep. Stress is one of the biggest circadian rhythm disruptors. Use relaxation techniques, deep breathing, meditation apps, gratitude journaling, progressive muscle relaxation. Writing down next day tasks. A calm mind equals deeper sleep. Conclusion: fixing your circadian rhythm isn't about taking pills. It's about simple lifestyle changes that align your body with its natural design. If you follow these tips: morning sunlight, consistent bedtime, early dinners, reduced blue light, your sleep, energy, metabolism, and focus will dramatically improve.